this video, I'm going to be showing my desk setup 2021. The first item of my desk is my MacBook Air 2070. So this MacBook Air is a very thin and light laptop which is great for schoolwork. So let's start talking about the trackpad. The trackpad is a great trackpad, but I wouldn't say this is the best trackpad out there. But it is a very good trackpad. So this trackpad also sounds good. The only disadvantage about this trackpad is it is not a good size trackpad. So now let's start talking about the keyboard. The keyboard is very clicky, it feels great typing on it, and it even sounds amazing. The next item is my Galaxy S7 Edge. It has a good camera and a good rare camera. I keep this next to me because I have to submit my notes, my assignments, and etc. So the next item is my Sony WXP700 TWS earbuds. They sound amazing. I use them for my online classes, watching YouTube, and listening to documentaries or podcasts. So if you want a detailed review of these TWS Sony earbuds, then please comment TWS earbuds in the comment section below. So the next item are my glasses. I use my glasses whenever I am using a device to avoid ultraviolet rays. These glasses are also comfortable wearing, and after 5 minutes of wearing these glasses, you forget that you are wearing these glasses, and that is really cool. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and also our sub goal is to reach 30 subs. Please check the discussion page to know what videos you are gonna see next. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye guys.